right, we have Brian filming me. The weather's kind of shit right now, and I also don't have a lot of time, but we're still gonna film some content on the Z. I'm gonna unveil it for you guys. You've already seen it. Drive around, get some quality rollers. That's really the only goal. Got this brand new BRE Datsun car cover, thanks to my parents. It's a perfect fit. Check the fluids under the hood, and then we're gonna get rolling. Also, holy shit, I left my passenger window open. Like rolled down. That's not good. But I recently got a new battery for this thing. Like yesterday actually. So hopefully it's enough to start the car. First things first, pop the hood. With a classic car, you just never know. There's always something wrong. And the last thing you want is to freaking die because you don't have enough brake fluid. So I always check those things. In this case, we got the brake master cylinder. It's topped off. And I could already tell here that one's good. Battery connections are all good. And that's pretty much it. Let's see if this brand new, super expensive Optima battery does its job.
What happened to your glasses? That's why I was like, I said, what happened? I said, what happened? It's okay, go. That shit is stupid. I go, what happened? Go. Okay, I'll go.
Oh my God. Randomly reverse.
All right, thanks for watching this video, tagging along for the ride. Make sure to subscribe. Let me know if you have any thoughts, ideas for what you want to see on the channel. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you.